This is what the leaves look like. So we're gonna do jungle waterfall first. Let me show you the lovely colors I picked out for that. Angelina helped me behind the scenes. I'm glad you're doing okay, even though you're tired. Just imagine a bunch of leaves floating on some water. That's what we're gonna do for this soap. At least that's the main idea. I think I want to do like a one pot wonder for this. I don't know if it's going to come out. I'm going to try. We'll see. Trying something new. Well, it's not new. I've done it before, but it has never worked. But I want to risk it. Because this time I didn't use I didn't use sodium lactate in this recipe. Since I'm going to use my wood mold, it should have a better flow versus when I use my silicone molds. And this is a very masculine scent, I would say. It has sandalwood, cedarwood, lavender, bergamot. It's really nice. So this is gonna be my white. I want plenty because I want white between each layer. And then I'm gonna divide the rest between these. I think I'm gonna add a bit more out of this one in here because I feel like it's too little. Okay. I'm gonna set these to the side. I'm gonna add my white. Gonna divide the fragrance between all of these. Okay, and I have to look at that color, it's so pretty. I know it looks off-white, but it will get whiter in the cure. Ooh, this smells so nice. So far, this is behaving well. We do! I agree, Angelina. We need smell-o-vision. I think I'm going to put the notes in the Discord of the fragrance so everyone gets a sense of what it smells like. I know Jenny said she wanted 2 of these, one in a set, I believe it is, and one by itself. Oops. I almost knocked out my white. That would have been a disaster. Okay. So, for one pot wonder, right? You start with the color you want on top. I'm gonna save just a teeny, well no, this color should be on top, so we'll see. Then I'm gonna do a white layer. Then I'm gonna go in with my neon blue. Yeah, I gotta check. I'm not sure. I'm gonna save a tiny teensy bit of that as well. Then we're gonna do another white layer. Then the other blue. Okay, I'm gonna scrape the rest of these in there. Just so that the bottom isn't white. Let me get my mold.
Lo que se quiere decir es que qué es lo que tú haces, que le pones un time limit.
Un time limit aquí.
Al batter, es la fragancia.
Oh no, sodium lactate. Javi explained to me. Sodium lactate, love. That's what makes it go really hard on me. It makes it easier to mold from silicone molds. And for these molds, I don't need it. I'm gonna tap this down. I have some left over. Design I had in my head. I hope it looks like I won. We're gonna swirl this. Tú me haces un favor. Todos tienen un poquito de jabón. Tú los puedes vaciar y poner adentro de el molde de cupcake. Thank you. This should look like water disturbances, the white part, when I cut it, hopefully. So glitter, obviously. I'm gonna do some teal, and I think I'm gonna go in with my iridescence, and we're good. Gonna bring you guys in so you can see this better. Thank you so much, Scented Secret. Yes, it looks like waves. So we did a little bit of that Echo glitter. And now we're gonna go in with 2 other Echo glitters. Whoops. I'm derpy today, guys. We're gonna spritz it and go in with our embeds. Thank you, Angelina. Let's see. I know it's a bit messy on the sides. Clean that off because I want to know where I'm working at. I want the leaves to be placed on the inside the way they're supposed to. Yes, widow leaves. They're kind of stuck to each other. Okay. Whoops. Sorry, guys. My mask nearly knocked you down. I pushed myself, Ashley. I'm not feeling my best, but I wanted to get these done. So I'm a little bit shaky and a little bit anxious, but I'm getting through it. It's definitely worth it because I just love the outcome. They look so pretty. Oh, I hug you back. This is Jungle Waterfalls and it's really masculine. It has notes of bergamot, cedarwood, sandalwood, lavender. Alrighty. DM me or just write it down in the channel so I can remember to write you down, okay? Because I have been very forgetful lately. More than my usual self. Hubby says, that's normal. Thank you. I'm gonna leave some space on the edges because I'm looking like I'm not gonna have enough to go all the way down. I don't know if you see where I'm at, and I have like space left over. So just in case, if not, I'll come back and fill them again. But for now. Just want to make sure all the bars have leaves. Thank you. Enjoy the paint along. I will meet you there once I'm done. if I would have kept on going with 4 leaves, I wouldn't have had enough. Ooh, you guys think this needs something else? Maybe a little bit of green glitter? And a little bit of hollow, maybe? I'm gonna do, I think this is chunky emerald. Yes, super chunky emerald. And a little bit of hollow. Thank you so much, Angelina. I'm happy this one turned out as I imagined it. Like I said, not using sodium lactate gives me a bit of freedom in design. Let's spritz this and I will bring you in. It is hot here today, really hot, and I'm melting. Let's go in, guys. Thank you, Mara.